Hi everyone and welcome to a new vlog. It's Friday and we are starting today's vlog with a small haul of things I picked up recently, either from Temu or random stores. First, I'm starting with this pajama set that I ordered from Temu and absolutely love. This is what it looks like. And the pants. It's white, thick, super fluffy, and it has teddy bear prints on it. It's honestly my favorite pajama right now. I'm obsessed. Okay, moving on. Still on the teddy bear theme, I also got a few pairs of socks from Temu. So cute and cozy. We have this model. Another one. This one on brown. Another white. And another brown. I also picked up these slippers from Temu. They are kind of like crocs, very interesting. This is what they look like. They don't came with these GBs, they actually came with a bow and some other charms, but I didn't really like the original ones, so I ordered these separately and attached them myself. Still from Temu, I got replacement ear pads for my Beats because my original ones broke. And that was actually the main reason I placed the order in the first place. And I think that's everything from Temu. The rest I bought from different stores or online. I also got two parkas from Noize. This white one, which I ordered online. I actually wanted it in black, but I couldn't find it anywhere, neither online nor in stores, so I had to choose between white and cream, and I went with white. It's very good quality, thick, and I got it in size extra small. While I was searching in stores for the black version, I came across another Noize parka. This time in black, but very, very discounted. This is what it looks like. So I said it was worth it and I couldn't miss it, especially since it's always good to have a black parka. And since I was already placing the online order for the white parka, I needed to add a few more things to my cart to get free shipping. So I also chose two sweatshirts from Noize. This green one. Another one on brown. Plus a pair of black sweatpants. Initially, I wanted the sweatpants in green or brown to make a matching set since they are the same material, but unfortunately they didn't have them. Next, I ordered a teeth whitening kit from Amazon. This is what it looks like. I have used this type of whitening kit before, just from a different brand. I already tried this one, but unfortunately I can't get used to it. I don't know if my teeth have become more sensitive or if it's because of different ingredients in the gel, but I feel a lot of sensitivity when I use it. With the one I had before, I didn't have this issue, so I'm not sure if my teeth are more sensitive now or not, but if I were to repurchase, I'd probably go back to the brand I used before, which is this one. Moving on, I also bought a skin tint I've been wanting to try for a long time. This one from Maybelline New York, Super Stay. I also got a waterproof eyeliner from Revlon because my old one ran out. An eyebrow pencil from Rimmel London, and the concealer that I always repurchase, the eraser. I picked up 2 Nivea lip balms as well, one classic and one pink, because in winter my lips get dry and chapped from the cold, so lip balm is a must-have for me. I also got a leave-in hair mask from Yves Rocher that smells so good. And the last things I picked up are 2 Monopoly games. This edition, Chance, and this one, Knock Out. Because we actually collect Monopoly, we have a lot of editions, and we love playing during Christmas, Easter, or other special occasions like that. And that's pretty much everything I bought lately. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.